razor-sharp wits that I've ever read, and a pen that is dipped in the most purest form of acid. And therefore, when you read some of his reviews of the films that you worked in, you make sure you come to his book launch. That's why I'm here.
Influence, it's easy on Mumbai's small head. My 70 rupee flip-flops, unless at a nightclub, or your cheapest cell phone almost everywhere matters less. I've also stayed with my parents at about an age I could have been a parent myself.
We used to be a fairly decent debating team, quite thorough with our research, adept with the arguments, and always aware of every motion being discussed in the House. There are just that many popular contentious issues in the world, and we debated them all during practice sessions, over and over again, if not at actual tournaments, where we would more often than not win.
So this is a chapter from book. I'm quite familiar with this episode in Indian television and Indian history. I was there. So this is how it goes. How Rajiv Gandhi rewrote the Ramayana. Rajiv Gandhi had just got back from what must have been a fairly tiring day at work. He sat on his couch, switched on his television at home. There were, of course, no channels to zap through. For India's youngest prime minister, as for his starved public in the 80s, there was only Doordarshan for visual entertainment. And DD back then had a moral problem with entertainment per se.